In this video, I'll show you how to create a beautiful item from some old pieces of wood. Follow the step-by-step process and be amazed by the result. In this project, all these pieces of wood with varying measurements will be reused. Initially, I'll pass everything through the planer. These parts I'll leave with a thickness of 2 centimeters. The boards will be adjusted to be 1 centimeter thick and also to remove these paint stains. It's great to see this video reaching true woodworking enthusiasts. If you love working with wood too, give it a like and comment woodworking down below. Let's see how many of us are here. Here, I'll cut all the parts on both sides to clean and standardize the width to 4 centimeters. Initially, I set the ruler to 43 millimeters from the blade, then made the cut on this side. Now, I set it to 40 millimeters and will make the cut on the other side. This way, all the pieces will be the same size. Here on the miter saw, I'll cut 8 parts, each with a length of 34 centimeters. To ensure they are all the same size, I'll use this stop that is already adjusted to this measurement. The end that will be supported here must already have been cut square. I decided to cut these 8 pieces, measuring 34 centimeters, at a 45-degree angle on one side. From the boards, I'll remove the grooves, and from each of them, I'll make 2 parts, each with a width of 4 centimeters. You'll always find practical and creative woodworking ideas here. Don't miss out on new content. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications if you haven't already. That way, you'll stay up to date with all the new videos and get inspired for your next projects. Join our community. From the slats, I'll cut 14 parts, each with a length of 30 centimeters. Another 10 parts will be cut, now with a length of 28 centimeters. One piece of these will also be cut, measuring 30 centimeters. And here, I'll split it in 2. Next, I'll glue these pieces that were cut at a 45-degree angle. I'll use masking tape to help with the gluing. I glued it, leaving a part protruding, and now I'll place the piece here, and the other will be glued like this, making sure they are very well aligned by the ends and also very well pressed in the center. Now I'll apply the glue, and I can make the joint. If you're still here in the video and enjoying it, leave your like so this content reaches more people. I'll repeat the same with these other pieces too, making 4 parts identical to this one. I'll leave it like this until the glue dries, then I'll move on to the next step. Well, some time has passed, the glue has dried, and now I can remove the tape. To ensure they don't come apart, I'll reinforce the fixation with nails like this one, which measures 32 millimeters in length. Next, I'll do the assembly. I'll put 2 parts like this, and here will be fixed these ones measuring 30 centimeters by 4. I'll apply a little glue on the ends, making sure they are very well aligned. The fixation will be done with this nail measuring 22 millimeters in length. With everything square, I can proceed with the assembly, always applying glue on the ends and fixing it this way. I'll use one of these pieces to make the spacing. And then I'll continue by putting 5 of these parts fitted here. If you'd like to help me continue creating more content like this, become a channel member by clicking the first link in the description. After placing the 5 parts, I'll put a piece measuring 2 centimeters by 2. I'll apply glue on the ends, and it will be fixed 2 centimeters below the last piece. And here we have the result. Now, I'll do the same with these 2 pieces as well. In the next step, I'll cut 4 pieces of these with exactly this measurement. In this case, it ended up being 25.8 centimeters. I'll apply some glue in this manner, where this part will be fixed, always ensuring that the alignment stays perfect. I'll secure the other one at the bottom, making sure to maintain the same spacing as the rest. Now I'll flip it over and reinforce the fixation with nails from the inside. And this will be repeated with these as well. I'll continue the assembly by positioning the 2 pieces like this, and here I will nail these ones measuring 28 centimeters in length, always applying a little glue, aligning carefully and securing with the nails. On this side, the process will be the same. I will use 4 more pieces of this kind to fill these 2 spots on both sides, as done earlier. At the bottom, I'll apply glue only on the ends. It's important that the piece fits tightly, as it will be glued exclusively. The last 4 parts, measuring 30 centimeters, will be placed at the base, supported by the wooden pieces measuring 2 centimeters by 2. They will be positioned sideways in this way. Here they will be arranged to have equal spacing and will only be glued. Where there are nail marks, I'll apply wood putty in ivory color. Afterwards, I'll sand it using 100 grit sandpaper. Using the router with the 28mm corner breaking bit, I'll round all the edges of the item. Looking to take your woodworking to the next level? In the description, you'll find links to tools and some paid resources that can really help speed up and simplify your projects. Check them out. They might be just what you need. Manual sanding will be performed with 220 grit sandpaper. The item will be painted by applying wood sealer diluted with thinner. To add color, this special brown tint will be applied. The application will be done with this spray gun, as is customary here on the channel. Well folks, here's the finished project. It's a beautiful plant holder, perfect for decorating both indoor and outdoor spaces. I hope this project has surprised you and earned your like. Let me know what you think. Your feedback is always appreciated. Explore other creative projects that will appear on the end screen. Click and get inspired. Thanks for being here. Looking forward to having you in the next video.